plant kingdom, green algae, brown algae, red algae, unicellular, multicellular, filamentous, colonial, multicellular, rarely unicellular, chlorophyll A and B, chlorophyll A and C, chlorophyll A and D. Stacked thylakoids stacked in group of three unstacked thylakoids. Freshwater algae, marine water algae, marine water algae. Reserve food is starch, laminarin and mannitol, Floridian starch. Green algae, brown algae, red algae. Fucoxanthin and phycobilins are absent. Fucoxanthin is abundant. Phycobilins absent. Fucoxanthin may be present. Phycobilins abundant. 2 to 8 apical and equal flagella. 2 lateral and unequal flagella. Flagella absent. Cell wall has cellulose and pectose, cellulose and non-sulfated phycocolloids, cellulose and sulfated phycocolloids. Green algae, brown algae, red algae. Asexual reproduction by flagellated zoospores, non-flagellated spores. Sexual reproduction by isogamy, anisogamy and oogamy, isogamy, anisogamy, oogamy, oogamy only. Flagellated male gametes, non-flagellated male gamete. Pyrenoids present in chloroplast, pyrenoids absent. Green algae, brown algae, red algae. Giant body, that is kelp absent, kelp present. Undifferentiated body, body is differentiated into holdfast, stipe and frond, present. Phycocolloids, that is hydrocolloids, are absent. Phycocolloids like algin, fucoidin, fusin are present. Phycocolloids like agar, carrageenan, funory present. Antheridium, archegonium represent male reproductive organ, represent female reproductive organ. Round or racket shaped structure, flask shaped structure. Does not have sterile cells internally. Neck canal cells and venter canal cells represent internal sterile cells. Produces motile flagellated male gametes, that is antherozoids. Produces non-flagellated, non-motile female gamete, that is egg cell. Large number of antherozoids are produced. Only single egg cell is produced. Isogamy, anisogamy. No distinguish between male and female gametes. Male and female gametes can be distinguished. Male and female gametes are structurally or morphologically similar. Male and female gametes are structurally dissimilar. Male and female gametes have equal amount of storage food. Female gamete has more amount of storage food. Hepaticopsida, bryopsida, that is Maasai, commonly called as liverwort, commonly called as moss. Main plant body is thallus-like or foliose-like, always leafy plant body. Plants have dichotomous branches. Plants have lateral and extra axillary branches. Capsule has elaters. Peristome teeth is absent. Capsule has peristome teeth. Elaters absent. Columella, that is sterile region, absent inside capsule. Columella is present inside capsule. Protonema stage is absent in life cycle. Filamentous, multicellular, branched, creeping, Protonema is formed by spore germination. Gametophyte, sporophyte. Represent haploid structure, represent diploid structure. Involved in formation of gametes by mitosis, involved in formation of spores by meiosis. Represent sexual stage, represents asexual stage. Formed after germination of meiospore, develops from growth of zygote. Gametes produced by gametophyte structure fuse to form zygote and sporophyte structure. Spores produced by sporophyte structure germinate into gametophyte structure. Homosporous plants, heterosporous plants. All sporangia are similar, that is, plants possess only one type of sporangium. Two types of sporangia are present, that is, microsporangium and megasporangium. All spores are structurally similar, that is, plants produce one type of spore. Two types of spores are produced, large megaspore and small microspore. Homospory has no evolutionary role. Heterospory has evolutionary significance, as heterospory is prerequisite for pollination and seed formation. Homosporous plants, heterosporous plants. Only one type of multicellular gametophyte develops after spore germination. Megaspore produces multicellular female gametophyte and microspore produces multicellular male gametophyte. Homosporous plants generally produce monoecious gametophyte. Heterosporous plants produce dioecious gametophyte. For example, all bryophytes and most of the pteridophytes. For example, few pteridophytes and all gymnosperms and angiosperms. Bryophytes, pteridophytes. They are non-vascular cryptogams. They are vascular cryptogams. Xylem and phloem are absent. Vascular tissues, that is, xylem and phloem, are present. Main plant body is haploid and gametophyte. Main plant body is diploid and sporophyte. Plant body is thallus or foliose-like. True root, leaf and stem are absent. Plant body is differentiated into true root, leaf and stem. Bryophytes, pteridophytes. All bryophytes are homosporous. Few pteridophytes are heterosporous. Have long-living gametophyte stage and short-living sporophyte stage in life cycle. Have long-living sporophyte stage and short-living gametophyte stage in life cycle. Archegonium is exposed with 2 to 4 lead cells. Archegonium is partially embedded in gametophyte with 2 lead cells. Protein and potassium salt are secreted by archegonium to attract enterozoites. Malic acid is secreted by archegonium to attract enterozoites. Bryophytes, pteridophytes produce coiled or screw-shaped biflagellated enterozoites. Enterozoites are spiral-shaped and multiflagellated. Called as amphibians of non-vascular cryptogams. Called as amphibians of vascular cryptogams. They are non-cormophyte plants. They are cormophyte plants. Do not sow seed habit. Few pteridophytes sow seed habit. Antheridium is stalked. Antheridium is sessile. Bryophytes, pteridophytes. Stele and stellar system are absent. Stele and stellar system are present. Sporophyte is differentiated into shoot, seta, and capsule. Sporophyte is differentiated into root, stem, and leaf. Shoot, seta, capsule are absent. Sporophyte is partially dependent, that is parasite, on gametophyte. Sporophyte and gametophyte are free living. Sexual reproduction alternates with asexual reproduction in life cycle. Asexual reproduction alternates with sexual reproduction in life cycle. Bryophytes, peridophytes. Embryo does not develop into new plant. New plant develops from embryo. Spore germinates to produce new plant body. Spore germinates to form intermediate gametophyte structure called prothallus. Main plant body has false root called rhizoids for fixation. Main plant body has true adventitious root for fixation. Microsporophyll, megasporophyll. It bears microsporangium, it bears megasporangium. Compactly arranged, overlapping microsporophylls form male cone or strobilus. Compactly arranged, overlapping megasporophylls form female cone or female strobilus. Microsporangium produces numerous microspores. Megasporangium generally produces single megaspore. In angiosperms, microsporophyll get modified or converted into stamen. In angiosperms, megasporophyll converted into pistil or carpel. Syngamy triple fusion, also called as amphimixis, true fertilization, generative fertilization, also called as trophomixis, false fertilization, pseudo fertilization, vegetative fertilization. One male gamete and one female gametes are fused in this process. One male gamete and two polar nuclei are fused in this process. It results in formation of a diploid zygote, which laterally develops into embryo and new plant. It produces triploid endosperm, which is a multicellular nutritive tissue that nourishes the developing embryo. Gymnosperms, angiosperms. Plants having naked seeds, plants having closed seeds. Ovary and fruit formation is absent. Ovary and fruit formation is present. Smallest group of plants, largest group of plants. Plants have only taproot. Plants have taproot, fibrous root, and adventitious root. Generally, herbs are absent, herbs are present. Sporophylls aggregate to form cone. Modified sporophylls aggregate to form flower. Gymnosperm, angiosperms. Microsporophyll is not divided into anther and filament. Modified microsporophyll, that is stamen, has terminal anther and a filament. Megasporophyll is not distinct into stigma, style, and ovary. Modified megasporophyll, that is pistil or carpel, is divided into stigma, style, and ovary. Ovules are not attached to placenta. Placentation is absent. Ovules are born on placenta. Placentation is present. Gymnosperms, angiosperms. Ovule is generally covered by three integuments and has broad micropyle. Ovule is covered by one or two integuments and has narrow micropyle. Female gametophyte is multicellular, parenchymatous, and large structure having distinct archegonia called as endosperm, haploid structure. Female gametophyte called as embryo sac, which is 7-celled and 8-nucleated structure. Archegonia are absent. Gymnosperms, angiosperms. Male gametophyte, that is pollen grain, is 5-celled structure. Male gametophyte, that is pollen grain, is 3-celled structure. Male gametes are motile, ciliated or flagellated. Male gametes are non-motile and non-flagellated. Pollination of pollen grains occur directly on the ovule. Pollination of pollen grains occur on stigma of carpel. Gymnosperms, angiosperms. Double fertilization is absent. Out of two male gametes, only one male gamete participates in fertilization. Double fertilization is present. Both male gametes participate in fertilization. Endosperm is pre-fertilization structure, represents haploid female gametophyte. Endosperm is post-fertilization structure, represents triploid nutritive tissue. Embryo may have one or several cotyledons. Embryo has one or two cotyledons only. Monocotyledons, that is monocots. Dicotyledons, that is dicots. Seed has one cotyledon attached with the embryo. Seed has two cotyledons attached with the embryo. Fibrous root system present. Tap root system present. Parallel venation in leaves. Reticulate venation in leaves. Trimerous flower. Tetramerous or pentamerous flowers. Single germinal furrow in pollen grains, 2 to 3 germ pores in pollen grains. Monocotyledons, that is monocots. Dicotyledons, that is dicots. Primary root is short living. Primary root is long living. Stem has scattered vascular bundles. Stem has ring-like arrangement of vascular bundles. Root has polyarch vascular bundles. Root has diarch to hexarch vascular bundles. Leaf mesophyll is undifferentiated and homogeneous. Leaf mesophyll is differentiated and heterogeneous. Stomata has dumbbell-shaped guard cells. Stomata has kidney-shaped guard cells. Monocotyledons, that is monocots. Dicotyledons, that is dicots. Stem has undifferentiated ground tissue system. Endodermis, pericycle and pith are absent. Ground tissue system is differentiated and endodermis, pericycle and pith are present. Cambium strip is absent between xylem and phloem. Intrafascicular cambium strip is present between xylem and phloem. Phloem parenchyma is absent. Phloem parenchyma is present. Secondary growth is absent. Secondary growth is present. Root has large pith. Pith is small or absent in root.